Welcome to Session 14. Quadratic functions create parabolas. Today we connect forms to graph features, vertex, zeros, axis of symmetry, opening direction, and range. The same quadratic can wear three useful forms. Standard form reveals the y-intercept, vertex form reveals the vertex, factored form reveals the zeros. From standard form, the vertex input is negative b over 2a. For x squared minus 6x plus 5, h is 3. Substitute 3 to get negative 4, so the vertex is 3, negative 4. Factored form shows the zeros. The axis of symmetry is halfway between them. Then, substitute the axis value to find the vertex output. If you know the vertex, start with vertex form. Then use the extra point to solve for a, the vertical scale factor. The sign of A tells opening direction. If A is positive, the vertex is a minimum. If A is negative, the vertex is a maximum. In context, separate the maximum value from the input where it occurs. Your turn. Find the vertex of f of x equals x squared minus 8x plus 7. Pause and use negative b over 2a. The vertex input is negative 8 over 2, which is 4. Substitute 4 to get negative 9, so the vertex is 4, negative 9. Session 14 recap. Standard form shows the y-intercept. Vertex form shows h and k. Factored form shows zeros. The axis is halfway between zeros, and the vertex output is the maximum or minimum value.